The Proteus controller isn't just another controller, it's a blank canvas. In this short guide, we'll walk you through the basics to get you gaming in just a few short minutes. And from here, you'll be building your dream controller in no time. Let's first start by identifying the power cube, the most important part of your controller. Every single configuration you make needs a power cube to work. The power cube is the brain of the controller and it connects to your device via the Bluetooth dongle. The power cube is identifiable by this white button. Your kit may have more than one power cube, but for now, let's choose one and get started. Make sure you watch our other tutorials to learn more about the parts in your specific kit. Now that you have your power cube, let's get connected. Single press the power cube to turn it on. Your power cube should be automatically in auto mode. This means that it can be either a primary or a secondary power cube. We won't worry about that right now. If your power cube is flashing green or green and purple, you can continue from here. If you're seeing other colors, you'll need to go back to your user guide or watch the video on different power cube modes, what they mean, and how to use them. Now that you have your power cube, first get your dongle and plug it into your device. Then power on the controller. Once it powers on, the power cube will automatically start looking for the dongle. While it's looking for the dongle, you'll see white pulsing LEDs. Once it finds the dongle, it will go solid blue. You'll also see this on the Xbox peripheral. When it connects, it goes solid white. When you see these things, you're connected and you're ready to go. Now let's get to the real magic, building your controller. All of your modules connect together using the switch lock mechanism. Here you can see this module is unlocked, and when I switch it, it's locked. Connect two modules together and lock the face that is connecting into the other module. It's really important that you lock these modules fully or you might experience connection issues. To remove the modules, just simply unlock the switch and pull them apart. The peripherals connect together also at 16 different angles, and you simply push the peripheral in until it's connected. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. To remove the peripheral, lift gently from the tab and pull it up. When you're building your controller, you'll notice these syncing LEDs. That's just the controller syncing and figuring out what's connected. This happens usually the first time you connect a new peripheral or module, or if the controller needs to refresh. You don't need to worry about these LEDs, but you'll notice that inputs won't send when this is happening. If your controller continues to show these LEDs, that means it's having issues syncing, so check your connection or go to our troubleshooting guides online. To keep the gaming going, you'll need to charge your controller. This is the charging module. As you can see, it has a USB Type-C connector, and you connect it to your configuration to charge your controller and to connect to the software. The best way to connect it is this way, by connecting the male face of a power cube directly to the charger and plug it into a power source. This will charge the fastest and give you the best connection, but you can also connect it to other modules the same way. It will just take longer to charge. If you have a really large configuration, we recommend connecting your charger directly to the primary power cube. That's the power cube with the solid LEDs. To connect to the software to remap your controller or save your configurations, simply connect a charger anywhere in your configuration or directly to the power cube, turn it on, and plug the cable into your PC or Mac. From here, follow the link below and follow the instructions on screen in order to get connected. If you need more help with the software, check out our other tutorials. And that's the basics of the Proteus controller. Really, it all comes down to just turning your power cube on, connecting modules, connecting to the dongle, and charging. After this, you're free to build and do whatever you want. And of course, check out our other resources on what to build and how to build it. And if you're looking for more detail like power cube modes or what the LEDs mean in certain scenarios, we also have tutorials for that coming too. Now, here's a rundown of all the other features you can get into if you want to keep exploring. If you want your controller to read in like a keyboard, then switch it to HID mode using the Proteus software. This is really helpful when you want to use your controller in place of a keyboard, like alongside a mouse, for example. In HID mode, you can also assign simple macros to your buttons or complex macros which include timing. Depending on the game you're playing, you might want to remap your buttons or change your analog stick direction. If you're looking to add extra peripherals or modules, make sure you check out our website to continue upgrading your controller. If you ever have questions or want to get connected with the community, make sure you join our Discord server.